How to download Amazon Kindle. So if you want to download Amazon Kindle on your device, then first you need to check the internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you won't be able to download. You will get some problems while downloading. So what you have to do is simply check your internet connection. Like if your Wi-Fi is not working, then you can switch to mobile data. Or if your mobile data is not working, then you can switch to Wi-Fi. And after checking that, now you can open up your app store or your play store, and then here on the upper side you will have the search bar. Simply tap on the search bar and then search for Amazon Kindle. And after searching, here you will have the application, right? Simply tap on that application, and if you want to install this, then you will have the install option. You can simply tap on install and it will start installing. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection. And after installing, you will have this open option on the right side. So you can simply tap on that open. So that's it. That's how you download and install Amazon Kindle on your device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.